Always remember when you're working with your projects to save them. Also remember that you need to save everything in a folder so that you don't lose anything. When you're going to export your object out, just go to File, Export, and you can choose a PDF right there. If you ever want, let's talk a little bit about one final thing, which is if you ever want to make sure that you have everything together for a job that someone else is going to print, you want to use something called packaging. Now, if you're going to go to a professional printer or even Kinko's or wherever, you want to talk to them beforehand to kind of see what they prefer. A lot of places prefer PDFs. Other people will want the full InDesign file, depending. If they want the full InDesign file, because it needs your fonts, it needs all of these objects, there's a lot of things you can lose. So InDesign has created something that will do that for you, and it's called packaging. So if we go up to File, then choose Package, you can see it's just going to kind of put all of this stuff together. You can always put a little note in there if you want to, but we just usually hit Package. We'll save this first. All right, we'll put the demo folder on there, hit package, and then it's going to put everything together. This is just making sure you realize that like some fonts have certain licenses and stuff like that. It'll put it all together. And now if we look on our desktop here, you guys can see that there is the demo folder. Inside you've got a copy of your InDesign project, a small PDF, all of the fonts that were used, and the links, which was our dog. So once again, very important, File, and then, File, Package, to package all your stuff together. For me, I'm going to want the PDF, that's it, but this is really a really important thing to know. All right, that's the basics. There's a lot more. Like I said, it's a very in-depth program, but it's also the last program that I'm showing you. So a lot of the things that you already know from Photoshop and Illustrator can be used in here. And you can go in more depth with all of the different things that you can create within paragraph styles and all that. But I think this is enough to get you started. I hope that this is helpful for you. And one last thing, I just want to show you Pages. I hope that this is helpful for you, and I will see you all later.